Have you ever thought what it will look like living on a planet which orbits a black hole? Well, it actually exists. They call planets. They are the planet which orbits a black hole. Today we will replace our sun with some of the scary objects in our universe. Let's replace Sagittarius A, is the supermassive black hole at the galactic center of the Milky Way, which is 26,000 light-years away from our solar system. The black hole is about 51.8 million kilometers in diameter. That is approximately the distance between Mercury and Sun. This is how it will look from Earth. As it will be very close to Earth, it will engulf Earth in just few seconds. Let's now replace with Messier 87, also called NGC 4486, giant elliptical galaxy in the constellation Virgo, whose nucleus contains a black hole, the first ever to be directly imaged. M87 is the most powerful known source of radio energy among the thousands of galactic systems constituting the so-called Virgo cluster. The black hole is 6.5 billion times the mass of the Sun and 38 billion kilometers across. That means it is 8 times larger than the distance between Sun and Pluto. Undoubtedly, the Earth as well as our whole solar system will be engulfed by this monster black hole. Let's now replace with Alitech. Alitech is a hot blue supergiant. It has 33 times the Sun's mass and a radius 20 times that of the Sun. Alitech temperature is about 29,000 Kelvin. We will be boiled in just a matter of few seconds. Well, let's now replace with the quasar. Quasars are amongst the most luminous objects in the known universe, typically emitting thousands of times more light than the entire Milky Way. Quasars' gamma rays would destroy Earth entirely. Lastly, we have Wormhole. A wormhole is a hypothetical structure connecting disparate points in spacetime and is based on a special solution of the Einstein field equations. If we would be very close to Wormhole, we may teleport in some different spacetime or maybe in future. Well, Wormhole is a hypothetical structure for now. Let's end this scary journey. Hope you liked the video. Do like and subscribe. Universe Science.